Hello students, welcome to another section of electronic devices, and today our topic is avalanche diode. In this section we will talk about its properties, fundamental working principle, characteristics along with the application. Well, like any other diode, it is made up of silicon, but it is specifically designed to experience an avalanche breakdown at a certain reverse bias voltage. The junction of this type of diode is specifically designed to prevent the current concentration and the thermal spots to make the diode undamaged by breakdown. We already know that the avalanche breakdown occurs due to minority charge carriers, which are accelerated to create ionization in the crystal lattice. As a result, producing more carriers, which in turn create more ionization. As we know, the avalanche breakdown is uniform across the whole junction and the voltage remains constant while changing the current. Now let's jump into the theory. In the figure we can see the schematic symbol of this type of diode, which is approximately same with the PN junction diode. This type of diode has an additional metallic contact in its both terminals, and the depletion region is a bit wide. The construction of this device is moreover similar to the Zener diode, but the doping level in this diode is different than Zener diode. These avalanche diodes are highly doped. As a result, the width of the depletion region becomes larger compared to the Zener diode. Due to this large depletion region, reverse breakdown takes place at a higher voltage. By controlling the doping level, we will be able to change the breakdown voltage of the diode in the time of manufacture. Now coming to the working of an avalanche diode, we already know the basic working principle of a diode, that is, it allows electrical current in only one direction, that is in the forward bias condition. Whereas avalanche diode allows current in both the directions, but it is specifically designed to work in reverse bias condition. The voltage at which electric current enhances unexpectedly is generally known as the breakdown voltage. While the reverse bias voltage is applied on the avalanche diode, the free electrons in the N side and the holes in the P side are moved away from the junction. As a result, the width of the depletion region starts increasing. Therefore, the majority carriers will not carry any electric current. However, the minority carriers experience a massive repulsive force from the external voltage. The breakdown voltage of avalanche diode depends on its density of doping. In the plot, we can see the rising density of doping will reduce the breakdown voltage of the diode. Applications of avalanche diode. This type of diode is used to protect the circuit. While the reverse bias voltage increases, the diode starts an avalanche effect at a certain voltage. Designers use this diode to protect the circuit against any unwanted voltages. These diodes are used as a white noise generators and also for generating microwave frequencies. In many cases, these are used as a source of radio frequency for antenna analyzer bridges. So with this, we have come to an end of this session, and today we have learned introduction to avalanche diode, symbol and the representation of avalanche diode, construction of this diode, its working principle, the breakdown voltage dependency and its application. Well, rewatch the video if you missed any part, and till then keep watching and keep learning. Bye.